Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix high ping on Roblox. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The Roblox high ping and lag spikes can be caused by a variety of reasons. The main reason behind the problem is poor internet connection. The first thing to do is to make sure to optimize your internet connection, since a poor network connection is the most common reason for the Roblox high ping issue. Simply restart your router or your modem and make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Once you are connected, and if you've got a VPN, simply go ahead and connect to a VPN and try switching your network. Also, make sure to close all of the unnecessary application running on your background. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape and open up your task manager. Soon after you do that, go ahead and close off any application that you don't want to run in the background. Click on End Task at the bottom right. After that, you can repeat this step to close all of the unnecessary apps and services from your computer. Once you are done, simply go ahead and open up your Roblox application and check if the high ping is lowered in Roblox. If that worked for you, then there you have solved your problem right away. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to simply update your driver. Go and open up your Start button at the bottom of the screen and click on Settings. Go to the bottom of the page on the left hand side of the screen and click on Windows Update. Soon after you click on the button, you'll be able to see this option. Click for regular updates by clicking on this Check for Updates button and it will start to check for available update for your Windows. Simply wait for some time until it searches for any kind of an update and make sure to update to the latest Windows. Once you make the change, you might be able to fix your issue, but if that still doesn't work, simply open up your Roblox application and from your Roblox homepage, once you are logged in, from your main homepage of Roblox, go ahead and select a game that you'd like to play. Click on the play button to start your game, and once your game has been started, go and click on this Roblox icon at the top left. Click on the settings button from the menu. Go to the graphic modes option and make sure to select it to manual. Now, right where it says graphic quality, select your graphic quality and make sure to lower your graphic quality. Once you do that, click on resume, and once you start your game, you might be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the easiest and effective methods on how to fix high ping issue on your Roblox account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.